This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by John.goats. Investors, check out this nice brick duplex located in Carter County. Each unit has 2 bedrooms, living room, kitchen, laundry hookup and bath. Both sides currently rented. Huge backyard, public water and sewer. Karen Circle, Grayson. Call today. Unit A has new refrigerator, microwave, water heater 1 year old and air conditioning 1 year old. Unit B has water heater 1 year old. Roof and decks are approximately 5 years old. Landlord pays water and trash, tenants pay electric. For more information, review the details below or contact John.goats at 606-474-0021.